Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to add an email account on your Facebook account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now to add a Gmail on your Facebook account, let's open up our Facebook app. And after opening your Facebook app, you can see the three line icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on your three line icon just below the messenger icon. And after that, after landing on this interface, you can see the gear icon or the settings icon on the top right corner of the screen. Again, tap on the settings icon, and over here you can see the personal information available. Over here, tap on personal information like this, and on this interface you can see the contact info option available. Over here, tap on contact info, and after that you can see the add email address available. Over here, tap on add email address. Now on this interface you will be required to add an additional email address. Over here, let's go. After adding your email, you can see the add email button available. Over here, tap on add email, and after that and there guys, you can see pending email over here. Now we just have to go to our email and confirm our new email address. Let's do that by going to our Gmail, and you can go to your email preferences which you had enter over there, either a Yahoo or Gmail or Hotmail or anything. It's on you. Now let's go and confirm my email. You can see the email sent by Facebook over here, and let's confirm it, and it has been confirmed. Let's let the load finish. Let's go back to Facebook and refresh it, and let's go back and let's refresh this page also. And there guys, you can see an email address has been added on our Facebook account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.